Hello friends, welcome to targeted email database. This is King Shuk here. Today in this video I will take you through the email database of CTO and IT heads. This is the email database of the people who is the decision maker in IT department in various corporates and companies. So if you are a IT marketer, if you are trying to promote or sell something related to IT, if you have a product or service related to IT, this is the database you should use. This is basically a gold mine for any kind of IT marketers. So let's look at the data first. So this is the file. This is the exact file you will get after you purchase and download the data from our website www.targetedemaildatabase.com. This is the exact file. Now the file format, the database format is Excel, but as you can see, the file extension is .rar, so that means it is compressed in WinRAR. So what you need to do is you just need to extract, right click and extract. Make sure you have a WinRAR installed in your computer, and once you extract it you will get the Excel file. And in this video I will also tell you how to use this particular data to increase your sales and revenue to a multiple time in a very short span of time. But let's look at the data first. So this is the exact data which you will get. As you can see, there are different rows and columns, different columns like name of the company, then the IT heads or CTO's name, then their email ID, the official email ID. This is the email ID they use for their official purposes. Then the designation or job title. You will get addresses, a couple of addresses, full addresses of the company, then the city name, state, pin code, STD number, landline numbers, fax, and industry and sub industry also. These last two columns are also very important. I'll tell you why in short. And now let's look at the data first. So as you can see, the total quantity of the data is 61,846, and these first four columns, that is the name, IT head's name, then email ID, and the designation, is mandatory in every record. Every record has this data. I will slowly scroll down the data through the file. As you can see, now here you can see the designations, like these are all the decision making designations, like VP of the IT, Deputy General Manager, Manager IT, Head IT, System Admin. Okay, so these all the decision making designations in the IT department. And the email ID also, if you can see, all in a company domain. all are official email IDs of the IT heads. Now I will scroll it down. You can see the exact data files. And this data comprises of various kind of industries. Okay, sub industry is mentioned in the last two column. So let's look at the last two columns, and why it is important is, if you want to segregate the data according to your requirement, say if you want only a particular industry, if you want the IT heads data of a particular industry, say advertising agency, so if you can just filter in Excel, it will give you the CTO and IT heads data of the advertising agencies only. So as you can see, you can filter it out according to your requirement or according to your choice. Say if you want advertising agency, or maybe the banking sector or automobile sector or whatever it is, so if you can segregate it in the Excel. Okay. And you can also do the same in location or the city. Say if you want only Delhi or only Chennai, so you can do that in Excel. You can just filter it out. You just need to filter the city column. Delhi will be New Delhi here, so N. Delhi, or say if you want Delhi and Chennai both. Now you can see it is segregated. It will give you the data only for the Chennai and New Delhi IT heads or CTO. So this is the exact thing which you will be using after you buy and download the data. And this particular data is being used by many of my clients, and I do receive feedbacks from them time to time. One of my clients a few days back, they are into system integration. They provide IT services to their clients. They use this particular data. They use this 61,000 data, and they have generated approximately 600 leads. And out of the 600 leads, they are able to convert approximately 180 new clients. So as you can see, even if you convert a very small percentage of this particular data, say 1% or 2%, and then that will give you a huge boost to your sales and marketing. Another client of mine who are into cloud services, they provide cloud solutions to their clients. They also use this particular data, and they said within 2.5 months time they are able to convert approximately 200 new clients. So as you can see, in B2B sector, 200 new clients is a huge boost to your sales and marketing, and that too in a very short span of time, within few months. Okay, so that is how it goes. Like, email marketing is always a volume game. If you convert a very small percent, 1%, 2%, and let me tell you, 1% is a very minimal ask. If you follow the standard practices of email marketing, like regular follow-up mails, then providing value-added content, you can do much more than. You can convert 2.5%, 3%, even 5%. So I will suggest you take a target of a small percentage, like 1% and 1.5% of that entire 61,000 data, and it will definitely give you a huge huge increase in your sales and revenue. And you can do that easily. It's not a very hard thing to do. Maybe it will take 1.5 months or 2 months time, but you can easily do that. So I wish you happy marketing. I wish you will use this particular data to increase your sales and revenue. And if you like this particular video, please feel free to comment, share, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.